So in this video, I'll be showing you how to mime this new Depin project called MyGate. It actually came out recently, just 2 weeks ago, and many people are already on it. So I'll show you how you mime this, and we'll mime it together and get ready for the listing. Surprisingly, I'm saying that because me, Nakasha, today my mind. Okay, this is how we mime the MyGate Depin project. If you have your laptop ready, you can use your laptop to mime this project. If you don't have, you can use your phone. If it's good enough, download the Mrs. browser and start miming this project. The link is in the description of this video, and moving forward, you'll see how to mime MyGate. After signing in, this is the interface you'll see. So on the home button here, this is what you are going to see. And you can see that I've not gotten any points yet because I just started recently. So this is what you will see. You will see season reward, today's reward, even daily reward. You can see it here. Then you check whether you are connected. One connection, I'll show you where that connection can be made. Now you go to this icon button here that looks like share, this share button. This is showing that you have given MyGate access to your laptop or your device. Now you can see the connection is good. You also see how many minutes or hours that I have connected, how long I have connected my system to MyGate Depin project. That is for the connection. Then the next, you will see tasks. You can see the achievement, you can see other about Sandals. These are tasks you do in order for you to get points. So all you need to do, make sure you do all these tasks in order for you to get points. And I believe more points will still be coming up, more tasks will still be coming up, so we can get more points. Then if you want to refer your friends, this is where you get your referral code. For now, I've not been able to send any referral code, but you'll see it in this video description below. Now this is where you get your referral code and you get rewards. All you need to do is to paste the code and send, so you get rewards, 20 points for each person. Okay, then that's it, I believe. So that is it for all. That is it for that. You can see I'm logged in order to know whether you are connected or not. So I'm connected, and as you can see, it's actually miming. So we'll be seeing our daily reward here, and we'll be seeing our points here. So that is how to mime the MyGate network Depin project, as easy as that. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and you can also join our Telegram channel in order for you to get more updates on testnet project and Depin project, also TG project, so we can all make cool cash together. Until next time, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Stay blessed.